How to share Indeed profile link. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video I will show you step by step how we can share our profile link with others so they can check out our Indeed profile. So it's going to be very easy and simple to do, and I'm also going to show you some extras just in case you want to test them out. So the first thing obviously is going to be going to Indeed.com, and then in here you just want to click on sign in and sign into your account. So I'm just going to sign into my account and show you next step. Great, so once you create your account or sign into your account, obviously you would want to adjust it, add your resume and so on. Now this is only a test account, so I don't really have a proper resume. I just uploaded a random PDF file. But anyways, to share your link to your profile, you basically want to click on this icon on the top right, which is the user icon. Once you click on that, there are going to be a few things to choose from, but we want to click on profile. And then once you click on profile, it's basically just going to show you all the information that is available in your profile, and this is what we want to share with people. So this is exactly what we wanted to share and what we want people to see. So all you need to do is really just copy the link for this, and we can just go ahead and share it. So first, in order to actually find the link, which is proper to you, you will need to actually fill in some information like your name, email address, obviously, your address, and so on. So there are going to be a few things that you will need to fill in order to get your profile link. If you're still new, you might not get it right away. But anyways, just again, click on this icon, click on profile, and then it's just going to load this profile for you. So just go ahead and copy this link and you are pretty much good to go. If you open up a new tab, paste it in, it's just going to take you to that profile basically, so they're going to be able to see it easily. Now what I like to do to make it easier for everyone, even on mobile, is I just go and open up a new tab. Obviously just make sure you copy this link, open up a new tab, and you can just go ahead and go for qrcodegenerator.com. so qr-code-generator.com, and we can just turn this into a QR code, which is going to make it a lot easier for us to share on social media and so on. So we can just go and paste this in, and then it's just going to create the QR code here for us on the right panel. You can also adjust it to your liking a little bit. So if you don't want it to be, or if you want it to be looking in a specific way, you can feel free to do so. So for example, I'm just going to leave it like this, and now just download as JPEG. And once it is actually downloaded here for us, you can just basically share it on Instagram, your social media, and you'll have the ability to just, basically share it all over the place. So it's going to look a little something like this. So whenever someone actually scans this now, they will be taken to the page for your Indeed profile. So this is all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.